Hello again. My battery died on me on my glasses, so I'm gonna try to do it this way. I'm not sure if you're gonna see it, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove this capacitor right now. I think my sucker is already pretty warm. Yeah, I have to charge those glasses. Okay, I'm just taking okay, the capacitor is gonna be out in a second. Capacitor is out. As you can see how it's all swollen. So I'm going to remove this, but I have to clean this first. Okay, so I'm gonna just clean this part. I don't know if you can see, but I'll put it here. And now, as you can see, it's nice and clean. And now I'm gonna put this is the bad capacitor. See how it's swollen? So I'm going to throw this one out. We don't need this. And this is a good one. Make sure that the minus is with the line. So put it in. Like this. And then I will solder it inside. I don't know if you can see, but I'll try to move this closer to the camera. Right here. I know it's not ideal because my glasses battery died on them, so hopefully you can see it. Now I'm gonna, I don't know if you can see. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you every step what I've done so far. So you see here, right there. So this is the new capacitor. Okay, the next thing what I have to do is to remove those 4 diodes. Very important to see where the ribbon is. You want to follow the ribbon. So I'm going to remove those 2 first, and then I will remove those 2. The ribbon should face this way, the X6. Remember it. Don't put it the other way. It's important to put it the right way. Okay, so I'm gonna remove the diodes, both of them, and remember the ribbon should be towards X6 this way. So the new diode also has a ribbon, you see, and this ribbon will go towards X6. I'll show you what I'm doing. So first I will start with those two. I'll put them in place, and then I will do the other two and I'll put them in place as well, and then I will connect all of them. I don't know if you can see. So it should be like this. Okay. Now I'm gonna remove those two and I'll do the same thing. Now on these two, the ribbon, as you can see, it's this way to D3. So both of them, you see the ribbon is on this side. So you want to make sure the ribbon, you follow the ribbon. I don't know, I don't like the way it works, this sucker. I might have to return this one and maybe get a new one for replacement. It doesn't work. Like first time it worked so good, and now see what it's doing on the back side? All this mess. I don't like it because I have to clean it all the time. It was clean at first when I got it, and now it makes a funny mess. I'm just cleaning everything up. This it would be much better. Okay, so I cleaned the other two. Now I'm gonna take those diodes out. You remember the ribbon on this side, both of the ribbons from the diode. So I'm gonna take two more diodes. So one diode will go this way. I'm just putting it in and I'll show you how it looks like. One, and the other one will go this way. Okay. So here, this is the final look. This is how it should look like. Now at the back side, that's how it should look like. And then I'll just put solder on all those 4 points on this side and 4 points on this side. I don't know if you can see, but I'll try to move the camera. 1 point, some reason it doesn't want to catch. Oh, here we go. One is good, another one is... I don't want them to touch. What's wrong with this today? Okay, that's better. I don't know if you guys can see, but what I'm doing right now, I'm just put solder on those diodes. Basically on each leg. Two more legs left. And this is the final product. I don't know if you can see, but I have to clean it, and this is how it looks like from this side. See, 4 diodes, 1 capacitor. Now we just have one more piece to replace, this triac. First thing, you want to remove the screw from here, and then so it's a Phillips screwdriver or Phillips screw. Don't lose the screw. Once it's out, you want to remove those 3 points. Yeah, I'm probably gonna return this device because I don't know, it doesn't work good. I don't like the way it works. It works okay, but it's not the way it was first when I got it. Now it works a little bit weird. Removing the triac from here. Okay, so this is the triac. It's all removed, so you can see. Now I'm going to put this other triac. This is the one. What I'm gonna do now, I'm going to first put it in place. I don't know if you guys can see, but first I will put it in place, and then I will put the screw to hold it, and then I will put the solder on the other side. I'm going to remove the old solder. Oh, where is this? I think I have like a little accident here. Let me just see. Okay, I'm just gonna remove the old solder. It's hot. Okay, I think I'm good. Okay, I removed the old solder. I'll just show you what I've done so far. You see here. Okay, now I'm going to put some flux in there. Something is going on with my flux. I think it has some hole, I can see. It has some hole in the tube. All right, so the repair is complete, and I will show you the how it looks like right now. I just have to clean it, but this is basically the final piece. So new capacitor, new diodes, and new triac. If you guys have any questions, you can comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and take care. But this is how you get this board fixed. This is from a wine cooler. Thank you again, and take care.